struggle. So, we went to IKEA today to buy a bunch of stuff.
That we need and we don't need.
Hindi, actually no. Parang halos lahat siya. Functional.
Yeah.
Like, nag-expect na tayo na we were going to buy something for decorations. Like, plants. Pero hindi siya natuloy. Kasi parang hindi namin trip. Bakit ka naka-smile? Ang weird. Like, naka-smile ka lang the whole time. Okay, sure.
No,
But
what I
anyway,
mean by we don't need is like need. Like we
What
have
do you mean?
plates. Pero we bought additional
yeah.
plates.
Oo.
Yeah.
And then, basta usually, makikita niyo naman, we're gonna do a haul of everything we bought today.
Okay, first the trash bag.
No, it's a trash can.
Yeah,
Not a trash bag.
Sorry.
Kasi usually, yung ginagawa namin, hinahang lang namin yung trash bag sa
Put
door
it here.
knob. Stop. Ano ba to?
You can see the photo here.
May trash bag. Wait, ang dami niyang laman. May mga laman pa siya sa loob. So, eto. Yan. Can you guys see it? It's basically yung clips kapag open mo kunwari yung chips or like mga
Chips.
ibang chips.
Just chips.
Just chips.
Just chips.
Hindi, basta parang kahit
Sige, think of.
hindi, kunwari yung ano ko, chia seeds ko.
Okay.
Na it's open na, i-clip mo siya kapag hindi mo na siya masil. So, ayan, we bought these.
How many?
Ano to? 26
Wow,
pieces.
it's 90
Yeah,
pesos.
For 90 pesos. Kasi nga may sale din sa IKEA. That's why we went. Like, super layo namin. Like, for context, we're staying sa border ng Makati and Mandaluyong. Then we went all the way to Pasay to go to IKEA. Next.
The reason why I wanted to go to IKEA is to
Yeah.
buy these spoons. It's only 150.
It's 12 pieces na yan. May spoon and fork and,
and
then...
cucharita.
Yeah. Is this for soup? Or
No,
hindi?
it's for regular eating.
Kutsarita lang. Okay.
Ito for dessert. For
Oh, yeah.
breakfast.
Tapos ito, knife. Kasi yung knife natin, saan ba?
From Daiso.
From Daiso.
Yeah, and it's black. It's coated ng black. And
Oo.
since wala kaming can opener, I use it to open can. So,
Mhm.
ngayon
Yeah.
tatanggal.
Na-scratch na
Na-scratch
siya. So, ayan. Ito din. Mura lang to, guys. It's like 150 pesos. What's next? What's this? Pang brush.
It's brush for CR. Kasi our old brush, I used it for something.
Ito yung
Now, we can't use it anymore.
ng trash bin. And then, ano ba to?
Wash
Pang
Punas.
punas
ng
ng plates. Wet
plates.
plates.
Yes.
30 pesos each lang yan.
Show them how big. It's so big.
Tapos next, we bought like a bunch of plates. Like may bowls. And then may big plates. May platito.
Bowls and like pasta plates. Or
Is that
salad
the No, I
plates.
don't think that's the
Hollow. I think,
Okay. Hindi ba ito yun?
It's a bowl.
The bigger one.
it's a big bowl.
Hindi, pero ito yung serving plate.
Yeah. Dito kakakain.
Pero what isa lang binili natin ganyan?
Kasi malaki. Dalawa to.
Okay. Ang dami, di ba?
And we got this. How much? Remember?
May 100.
For the CR.
And then, ito, anong tawag dito?
Squeegee.
Squeegee. For the
For the
Kasi,
picture here.
no, kasi yung divider dito sa condo, instead of like, yung usual sa mga SFDC na condo na like, wall siya or parang kahoy.
Nails, yeah.
Yeah. Dito,
It's
it's
glass.
glass. It's a sliding glass. So,
And it gets super dirty
yeah,
when I touch it.
this.
And I got this
Like,
super
literal,
cute.
isa lang.
Yeah.
Diba?
It's so cute, 40 pesos na. glass.
And then I got this
Ikaw din naman, isa lang.
Yee! So yun nga, hindi kami makapag-coffee at the same time. Dahil nga, wala kaming mug. So, I finally bought one for myself. Scissors.
May scissors kasi nasira while trying
Stabbing the
to
eyes.
stab the eyes.
Isang block ang
And,
eyes.
oh no! Mali yung nabili ko!
What? Maliit?
Yeah, it's a refill for the smaller one.
Oo. I feel, but anyway. We can make do.
How?
I don't know. But basta we can. We'll
Hawakan
make
na
do.
gano'n.
And then ito, organizers for the drawer ng utensils. So that's basically it. And then everything we bought na
Oh, wait, ito pa.
Andin.
For my sisters. Just, like, pang toddler na utensils and plates and cups.
Yeah. And all
Multicolored.
these for less than 2,000 pesos.
Literally, like,
Yeah.
1 peso na lang. 2,000 lang. We're still under. That's all.